Hi roller skaters, Kev here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about maintenance, specifically cleaning your wheel bearings. It's a really dirty job. A lot of people don't like doing it. I get it. But hopefully we have some tips on to make it a little easier for you guys to do that. We had a company reach out to us. This company called Super Clean. They offer a degreaser, which we think will work well with our bearings. It's pretty cool to be able to be sent a product. They sent us some hats, some t-shirts, and some products, and in trade we're going to try to do a little test to see how they work on the bearings. We know nothing about this company or anything like that, so let's give this a shot. To clean your bearings, you can use a variety of different things. What I mean by that is you can use like a mason jar and just put all your bearings in like a big jar and seal it and shake it up with whatever degreaser you choose to use. There's a lot of different solvents out there, cleaning products out there, but for this instance we are using Super Clean. This is pretty cool. Bones makes this product. It's like a shish kebab kind of thing. You can put your bearings on this thing and it makes it easy to clean.
Yeah.
It keeps them separated so they're not banging all around in a jar. For speed purposes, time purposes, I've kind of started building the shish kebab. And what you do is you can use a butter knife. You don't want to use anything sharp, but you want to pop one of these seals off the bearing on one side. And to do that, you can kind of get inside there.
Be careful, yeah.
Be careful and get that knife under there and lift out that seal real nice and carefully. And you don't want to tear it. And then drop it down inside your bucket or whatever. And then you put your little bearings on this little shish kebab thing. And do one more.
Or if you don't have the shish kebab, you're just throwing them in the jar with everything else and shaking everything around, basically. Yeah. Okay.
Put that in there like that.
It works either way, but this is a little more refined, I guess.
Yeah, it makes it. Oops, I'll put the collar on there
first. It makes sure that they don't bang into each other and like clump against one another, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of makes them really keeps them organized.
Yeah.
So you tighten that up like that. Put this in here. Tighten it up. And all the seals are down in there as well. And you want to shake this up for, I don't know, it's our first time using it, so we'll see. Maybe 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, I don't know. You may have to do it a couple times, depending on how dirty your bearings are.
I think ours are pretty dirty, so we
these
probably...
are some pretty old bearings that we're just kind of going to see how it comes out.
We might need to really work on them, because they're...
You can see how dirty the solution has gotten. It was really nice and purple, and it's already kind of black.
Yeah.
So this stuff must be pretty strong.
Well, especially if you skate outside, the bearings get super grimy.
Yeah, they get grimy.
Yeah, the indoor ones are not as
you
bad.
Get caught in the rain sometimes, or you're around debris, sand. Bearings can get a lot of gunk. You can lube them up with a lube as you're using them if they start to get sticky. But eventually, you're gonna have to really take the time to take those seals off and do this cleaning service. So, you think that's enough shaking? We're shaking.
I don't know.
Shake.
Let's look.
Let's check it out. Look how dirty it is down inside there.
Ew.
Pretty gross.
Yeah, these are some gross bearings.
Wow. Stuff's pretty dirty. Look how shiny that is, just from that. Stuff works pretty good, actually.
Well, this is it's a pretty heavy-duty kind of degreaser, so the Super Clean. That's the kind of thing you gotta have to use for this.
Yeah, something really strong. Wow, they're really clean.
So once you have them clean, then you can just set them out to dry?
Yep, you set them out to dry. You can take a little, what'd you call it, Jazz? The computer, little, where you blow your keyboard out.
I don't know what you call that, but
air.
it's like compressed air blow thing, like for computer keyboards, where you can blow them out real fast. But I don't have that thing, so we just kind of wipe them out. You can blow on them and let them air dry, basically.
Pretty dang clean down inside there.
Looks good.
So what you do next is you wait for these to dry out, or blow them out, towel them off, let them dry out real good for a long period of time till they're totally dry. There's no moisture in there, and then you want to add like a drop or two of the The Speed Cream, this is a product we found that really helps well. It works really well. It goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot of it when you're
that's
using
Bones.
it. Bones
Also,
makes
yeah.
this as well. So what you're going to want to do is put a drop or two of this.
Just a little bit, yeah. Once they're dry and clean.
Yeah, once they're dry and clean. I'm kind of doing this for rushing this a little bit to kind of speed it up. But you put your little, you know, Speed Cream in there, get them spun. Make sure you don't hear any grittiness. You know, you want them to spin real smooth. And then put your cap. The seals are in here. I'm not going to take them out right now because there's so much solution in there. But you take your little seals out, snap them back in place, and then you're done. So I think this product works really well. I liked it. We really appreciate them sending us this product, and liked how it worked out. So hopefully this was a helpful little video for you guys, you know, with your maintenance, so you can kind of help understand what you have to do to clean your bearings, because it is important. You know, it gets expensive when you have to buy equipment, and if your bearings go bad, you got to buy new ones. It can get expensive, so you want to keep your stuff clean. So hopefully this video was useful for you guys and you guys liked it. If you have any comments, please don't forget to put them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.